Hi, I'm doing these fireworks, sparklers. There we go, just lighting. There we go.
Write your name. Do close to your body.
Okay.
Then write your name.
Okay, I'll write my name.
Go round fast. Do it fast. Go round. Go round and round.
My thing's gone all bent. Look, that's Mum, it's gone all bent.
Alright, don't worry. Just hold it at the end.
Here we go. Ready?
Oh my god. Oh, I like that one.
It's nearly done now.
Where are you putting them?
I put mine in the plant pot, which I'm going to do this time.
It's getting hot here.
Why does it leave a trail? Is it smoke? Oh,
It's like the after effect.
And this is where we put
Put
it.
it in the plant pot, that's it. Well done.